Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it? Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
In a shocking and tragic incident that unfolded earlier today, a man lost his life after being shot multiple times in the Bay West Shopping Center in Montego Bay, St. James. The victim's mother was also injured in the attack and has been rushed to the hospital for medical treatment. The identities of the victims remain unknown at this time, adding an air of mystery to the already distressing situation. The shooting occurred in broad daylight, sending shockwaves through the normally bustling shopping center. Eyewitnesses reported hearing multiple gunshots, causing panic and chaos among shoppers and store employees. Local law enforcement, including the police, are currently present at the Bay West Shopping Center, actively investigating the incident. Preliminary reports suggest that the attack may have been targeted, but the motive and suspect remain unclear. Wanna hear that, my people? Hurrah. We are living in privileged times. Listen, Jaja, this serious, This serious, me can't believe. And this now, when I hear this, and this, them say Jamaica is one of the safest, I don't believe it. Too much things is happening. Too much killing, too much violence, too much things are happening for Jamaica to be one of the safest. I would love for my country to be one of the safest. But right now, to the rate how things are move my viewers and subscribers, me not believe that. Me just think say it just Andrew Holness just want to look good. So them just a plan something, you understand? To make Andrew Holness look good. But really and truly, Andrew Holness, you need to stop the bullshit. And if you tell the people them say no, it is not one of the safest. Because nothing not go so. Because we don't feel safe. We don't feel safe. People who don't agree with me, talk truth no? Talk truth. All them something here is come on. Come on. Like, what's really going on? Tell me how you feel about this, my people, all right? Anyway, hear this. PNP National Party candidate for Portland Western, Doreen Campbell, has urged voters not to refuse payment offered for their vote, but to instead double-cross those making the offer. I agree with her, you understand? I talk about it yesterday. It is back again in the paper. And the reason why it is back again in the paper, my people, because Daryl Vaz a look legal advice because the MP Doreen Campbell talk about this. You understand? So the one Daryl Vaz up and down, busy, I look legal advice. I don't know why I'm not going to sit down. He better go look legal advice for the 60th them when in cabinet. Him stay there. And that him for go look advice about. Vote buying is illegal in Jamaica, but the political landscape has long been plagued by allegations and accusation of the practice. Well, I don't know why the paper upset that. I say it has been plagued by allegations and accusation. No, I don't know plague. There's evidence. Papers, I don't know say what go on. There is evidence. I don't know see people. I don't know see the people them. I don't know see the people them at the conference. I show off them money. It look like I don't know say what. I don't know if it's on an right it say. I don't know see the people them and them something they don't know if put out. Kind of well see the video clip. Them are go around. I don't know if put out them too. I don't know if put them out too and stop going like I don't know what go on. Me say, but me for some of them, I say, some of the news reporters, them, I say, my people, Seriously. There's video clips. That's why I tell you no. I tell you, see how the bloggers them bring the real news and listen to me because we have raw footage. We have raw footage. You understand? So this I don't know accuse and no allegation. It is the truth because we now say no allege. Cause there is video clips with people at the conference attack and a show off and I go on with them things. You understand? All right. So tell me what you think about it and put an opinion in the comment section. Firebrand politician Damion Crawford on Sunday night launched a scathing attack on the husband and wife team of Daryl and Anne-Marie Valls while vowing he will have revenge for his defeat in the 2019 by-election in East Portland, acknowledging that he had not been to East Portland since losing to Anne-Marie Valls. Crawford said, "Me did kind of feel away. How you mean, me Jenna? Of course you have feelings. You're only a human. But no worry, man. Them goes cook. Them goes cook. Revenge, we say, right there, so, right here." So yes, Damion Crawford, me like the way you come out and you talk, Papa. You understand? Me admire the way you're always up and running. You're like a firecracker. Me people, take in the video clip here with Damion Crawford.
And it's all right. Because I recognize that I am the biggest achievement that the Vaz and the Vaz has ever had. And everywhere they go, they say we beat Damion, we beat Damion, we beat Damion. But little did they know that I sent two of my Karachi soldiers to go train and say, I shall revenge the master. The first student that shall revenge the master was my actual driver in the election. So I could not have been absent. Colin, now that them want to take our song, we say, them father behind. Driver, don't stop attack.
And I hear, listen to people.
But the second student is someone, because I realize that now Jamaica government is a family business. At first they had Father Shark, then they had Baby Shark, then they had Mother Shark.
True.
So therefore I need Doreen to take on Father Shark, because too much shark is in the business.
Too much shark. You see, turn it in a wheel. You see?
Too much shark. And the sharks are taking everything for themselves. Nothing, but nothing else in the city. Not even little crumbs. I tell them, say, when it's cake, you might get the crumbs, but they come with pudding. No crumbs. So I need you to take care of Mother Shark. And then Doreen will take care of Father Shark.
Yes.
And that way we will not get any baby shark.
Right this up. Talk out a nice clean note, Damion. Talk up the things there. Listen to people, my brothers and subscribers.
But hold on now. Yeah, I put government. Yeah, no crumbs. Watch me now. A long time I'm not coming now. I'm not telling a lie, I feel away. Because, you know, sometimes you have to leave your wife, but your wife not doing nothing. Maybe you get a little green card and you have to go try life. Portland never do it now. But sometimes Jonah cannot be comfortable till Jonah go where Jonah should be. I say rock by baby, turn the other. I had to be here tonight for two reasons. The first is that I need revenge for what has happened in these courts.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear Damion, wanna listen to Damion. I agree with every single thing Damion say. Of course, you are the greatest achievement Daryl Vaz them ever have. Right there, so. Who agree? Put it in the comment section. And definitely, Damion, a pure shark up in the JLP camp. I don't blame you, pure shark. Remember, it start from stages by stages, It start from fishes. Now we reach a shark. Hey, yes, my people. Now tell me what you think about this. I say this man, me always admire Damion Crawford because him know anything. And when me I tell us the man know anything, this man, him and Mark Golden always a show up the government. Always a show them up, especially when they in a House of Parliament and they want and them maths is not mathsing. Damion Crawford always come and break it down for we because then things that they can trick we. This is why you see this man, he's a good man, my people. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, Damion Crawford, keep up the good work and we love you. My people, wanna tell me wanna think about the statement where Davy and Crawford make. Put it in the comment section. Make sure so to give an honest opinion on my people. So guys, before I continue further, I want to big up Denise Edwards for subscribing to my channel. This is what she wrote. She wrote, I subscribe. Big up yourself, Denise Edwards, for subscribing to my channel. Guys, if you want a big up, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notification bell on and click all, my people. All right? Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.